Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the anglerfish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the anglerfish I've catched in Heartopia. This is the anglerfish. And then I'm going to show you the details about this anglerfish. I'm going to open up my collection and open the fish observation. And as you can see here, this is one of the sea fishes, and I'm going to open up the details. All right, and for the active period, it's active daily, and you can catch it during the sunny weather and rainy or rainbow. And as you can see, I got this anglerfish from the sea fishing event. So guys, if you want to increase the possibility to catch this fish, you can join the sea fishing event from Bill. You can join the event when he's starting the event, or actually you can start this event by yourself. Just go to the sea fishing event, and here you can choose either you want to join or you want to start. But of course, if you want to join the sea fishing event by Bill, you need to wait until he start the event. Okay, now the event is available, so I can join it now. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the anglerfish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!